The great Norwegian maestro Magnus Carlsen defended his World Chess Championship title by defeating American challenger Fabiano Caruana 3-0 in fast-fire playoff games. After his 3 weeks of play ended in 12 draws, Carlsen quickly concluded the victory on Wednesday with 3 consecutive wins to build an unquestionable advantage in the fastest format of the best-of-4. "I felt that today I had a very good day at work," said Carlsen, 27 years old. "Everything went perfectly." Caruana, 26, was trying to become the first American since Bobby Fischer in 1972 became the world chess champion, but he lost a pawn and rush and in the first game and then had to take great risks in the 2 following while trying to win. "I was hoping to play my best chess today, but I did not even get close to that," said Caruana, who was born in Miami, grew up in Brooklyn and lives in San Luis. "I felt a lot of pressure, but I do not think the pressure has increased because I was the first American challenger in a long time. I think the game naturally comes with a lot of pressure.